Hey everyone, BlockDAG versus Kaspa. Which next-gen blockchain is actually worth your attention? If you've been hearing the hype about both but don't know which one to trust your time, energy or money with, this quick comparison will break it down for you fast. So let us start with Kaspa. It's a high-speed proof-of-work blockchain using BlockDAG protocol designed to allow multiple blocks per second without compromising decentralization. It has real tech behind it, instant confirmations, low fees, and community-led development. Kaspa's code is open source and battle-tested, and unlike typical layer 1s, Kaspa solves scalability while keeping decentralization intact. That's big. Now let us talk about the second contender, which is the BlockDAG. So this one is a newer player, making waves with viral marketing, especially after its flashy pre-sale and daily updates. The project promises 10x to 30x gains, uses a DAG structure like Kaspa, and promotes itself as a revolution for dApps and mining. But here's the concern: there's no working mainnet yet, and much of its momentum is driven by influences and countdowns, not working code. So if you want speculative hype, BlockDAG might catch your eye. But if you want actual technology with a proven structure, Kaspa clearly wins. And finally, to sum it up, BlockDAG is still potential, Kaspa is already performance. One is a promise, the other is providing it daily. Choose wisely. If you found this comparison helpful, hit like and subscribe, and check the video description for links to live network stats, wallet info, and how to get started with Kaspa or BlockDAG safely. Catch you in the next video.